Meaning of Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China, located on the southeast coast of the country. Formerly a British colony, it was returned to Chinese sovereignty in 1997. Hong Kong is one of the world's most significant financial and commercial centers, famous for its deep harbor, skyscrapers, and bustling streets. The city is renowned for its unique blend of Eastern and Western cultures, fabulous cuisine, and shopping options. Hong Kong is also a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year with attractions such as Disneyland, Victoria Peak, and the Big Buddha.